back, everybody. The storm is going crazy. There's rain coming down. Look at the road. Oh my gosh, birds. Let's open the window. Oh yeah, guys, I am making a Sharknado series with Danny, Gabby, and my brother, apparently. He was the mailman, but then Gabby started calling him baby, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Boop, boop, boop. Right now, I'm watching and cheering. Dirty Ghost.
Game over! What?
There's nothing going on except for rain, but we're gonna get some lightning. And that's weird. Every dog in the neighborhood is barking. Wait. Listen. And the last one started barking. And the rain's kind of stopped. It's not as bad as I wanted it to be, but it was something. So that's it for this time. I'll see you guys next time on another Storm Chaser. Goodbye.